Hey guys, this is Ariana here, back with another video. Today is November 1st, which is the day where two tattoos battle. The tattoo battle. Today it is Team Pumpkin versus Team Skull. Now, first, we must load our weapons. And we can't shoot into the garage, we can't go into the yard, and we can't go into the driveway. And just saying, both of us have one gun, one shield, and one bucket of ammo. Now let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go.
You can't shoot it.
I didn't shoot into the ground. You can't go out of there.
Oh, sorry.
Pause. Foul! Okay, no shooting at the face, no shooting at the... here. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
You shot me in the eyes.
Remember, you can't step into the blacktop.
Ow, my face.
Reloading fast is key. Remember, you can't go to the yard.
Ow.
Okay, pause. No, no shield. 3, 2, 1.
Pause. Let's take that.
Okay. Now stop. Put your weapons down. And your shield down. Whew. Okay, now you be the judge. Who's more wet? Team Pumpkin or Team what? Team what?
Skull.
Okay, now go back. And Team Skull's back. Let's make it more close up. Okay. Team, come here. Team Skull's back. And front and face. Team Pumpkin face, shirt, front, pants, and the back. Okay, so that was my younger sister, Erin, by the way. And so comment down below in the comment section, obviously, on which of us won. Team Pumpkin. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, we had a lot of fun today. It's Sunday, fun day. Bye.